Okay, I got this from Avatar, and they asked me to take video so I can get some cashback or whatever. So, what you need today, it's an engine air filter, and it's from MAN, a German company, a German brand. It's original OEM. It's like a drum, right? And to change the air filter for the Audi A4, whatever A4 actually, it's basically you located there's a case of that engine filter. What you need is T25, okay? That's T25. Unscrew all of them. What? Oh, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 screws. Loosen. And it's actually a very long screw, so you don't have to loosen it fully. You will be able to lift it. This one I hadn't released fully. Okay. Alright. And then you can see, so make sure if you do it in winter, it's warm, so it's more flexible. Come, you turn over here and take a look how dirty it is. So the way you do it is you actually twist it anti-clockwise. Just give it 1 second. Sorry. Alright, anti-clockwise. It's like, ooh. So you see it's loosened. Alright, this is an old dirty filter. We put it here. And if you have a vacuum cleaner, clean the hose, right? Okay, now I got a vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna clean it. Alright. Just try to remove all the dust. Okay, now it's clean. Alright, so what we do, let's take a look. It's very clean inside, right? There's no dust, no leaves. And what we need is, let's fix this foam, right? Make sure it's in position. Foam looks nice and tidy. And then we're gonna take the new filter. Alright, the new filter. So, come in and have a look to this position. So you can see there's a mount, so it's gonna look like this, okay? So this is an intake, this is a housing, right? There's a hole over there, you insert from here, right? Make sure it's aligned, and then you can rotate, okay? Make sure it's positioned. There will be some friction. You rotate and pressing, okay? You press in, still rotates. It has a little bit of friction. Alright, make sure it's position. Slowly rotate. Rotate. Yep. Okay. Now it's in position. Looks good. And let me hold that. So what you can see over there, here, you can see. Okay, there's a stop over there. Okay, and there's a clip over there. The clip is in position also. Okay, now it's good. All right, then let's put the case back. So in the case you can see there is a ring, a kind of a ring over there. You can see, yeah, like there's no O-ring, but there's just a plastic shell. Make sure it's all perfectly fit all around that, right? Look, it's perfect, right? It's all in position, right? You press in, All right, and then you're gonna take the T25. Screw it down, all the way down, okay? But do not fasten it. Wait. Okay, don't do it very fast. Okay, one more. Okay. Last one. Okay, so now it's actually the last step is we need to check the torque. All right, you feel it? Yeah, it's tight. And the other side, tight. And this side, tight. You can feel, use your finger, put it extra, no, this one's more loose. Okay, tight. Tight. This one's not, now it's tight. Okay, so we do a final check. Make sure, now it's tight. 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 So I don't have a torque wrench, but you're still able to feel it like this, tight. So it's even, very evenly distributed, the force, the pressure, and it's very nicely shelled. And then check you don't lose any tools underneath. Remove that vacuum cleaner, and it should be good to go. Have a good night.